Now I am going to discuss about subphylum Taphrinomycotina, which belongs to phylum Ascomycota, and the different important families in the Taphrinomycotina and the diseases caused by the fungus that belongs to Taphrinomycotina. So phylum Ascomycota has classified into three subphylum: Taphrinomycotina, Saccharomycotina and Precizomycotina. So let's discuss about Taphrinomycotina subphylum. It is divided into 5 classes. 4 classes, that is Neolectomycetes, Pneumocystidomycetes, Schizosaccharomycetes and Taphrinomycetes has divided by Cricketall in this classification, and the 5th class, that is Archirhizomycetes, was added by Rosling et al. Later. So class Taphrinomycotina comes under order Taphrinales. Order Taphrinales contains 2 important families, that is Protomycetaceae and Taphrinaceae. The important disease in Protomycetaceae is stem gall of coriander, which it is caused by Protomyces macrosporus. And the important disease in Taphrinaceae is peach leaf curl, which is caused by Taphrina deformans. So Protomycetaceae, there are 6 genera that attacks the plants and causes galls and discoloration of the plants. Galls is the main symptom of the diseases, which is caused by these fungi that belongs to this family. The fungi that belongs to Protomycetaceae family produces resting spores. These spores germinates and forms a sac-like structure or vesicle, which is called as synascus. Synascus is a compound ascus containing numerous ascospores. There are 10 species that causes disease among the plants, and the most important and widespread disease is coriander leaf gall, which is caused by Protomyces macrosporus. The mycelium produced by this fungi is septate and spreads intercellularly. That means the fungi grow between the cells of the host. Galls develop due to uncontrolled division of the fungi in the host. And during development of this fungi in the host, the hypha swells, and these hyphal swellings develop into resting spores, and that undergoes dormancy before germination. All the ascospores are forcibly discharged in a single mass. There are numerous ascospores in a single ascus. So here are some species of Protomyces which causes diseases. The Protomyces macrosporus causes stem gall of coriander, and Protomyces inundatus, Protomyces pachydermis. These causes diseases in the crops that belongs to Amelliferae family. So this is life cycle of Protomyces macrosporus, which causes stem gall of coriander. The ascospores releases in a single mass forcibly. There are numerous ascospores in a single ascus. These ascospores released multiply by budding, and the spores produced by budding undergoes plasmogamy and karyogamy, and these becomes diploid cells. These diploid cells or spores germinates on the host only. When it contacts with the host, the spores germinates and the hypha grows intercellularly in the host. The hypha during the development swells, and these hyphal swellings becomes into resting spores. These resting spores during their germination forms a vesicle or sac-like structure. There are numerous spore mother cells that is present in the vesicle, which undergoes meiosis, and numerous number of ascospores is formed. This is synascus, and all the ascospores releases forcibly in a single mass, and the ascospores released again continues its life cycle. So stem gall of coriander symptoms looks like this. We can observe clear galls that is caused by Protomyces macrosporus in the coriander plants. So Taphrinaceae, the genus Taphrina is parasitic, and that means they grow on the host of higher plants and species. All the species in the Taphrinacea are dimorphic. That means they represent two different phases or stages in its life cycle. The species of Taphrina causes necrotic leaf spots, galls and deformations. That means the shape of the leaves and the parts of the plant becomes irregular in shape. This family is characterized by the development of dikaryotic ascogenous cells. Budding is the type of reproduction that is observed in Taphrina. So there are 8 number of ascospores in each ascus. But in Protomycetacea there are numerous ascospores in each ascus. These ascospores releases forcibly by rupturing the tip of the ascus. Here are some species of Taphrina which causes diseases. Taphrina deformans causes peach leaf curl. Taphrinia maculans causes turmeric leaf blotch. Taphrinia epiphylla which causes witch's brooms of cherries, and Taphrinia pruni which causes plum disease of plum fruits. So this is life cycle of Taphrinia deformans. The ascospores produced by these fungus multiply by budding, and the blastospores germinates on the host and infects the peach leaf. These fungus grows intercellularly and the hive and grows irregular in shape, so that we can observe the curling of the leaves, and the hypha develops into ascus and the ascospores are released and the life cycle continues. So these are the symptoms of peach leaf curl. So leaves becomes deformation and shows leaf curling. So we will discuss about multiple choice questions. Taphrinomycotina comes under phylum Ascomycota. Protomyces forms galls on plants belonging to family Protomycetaceae. Protomyces germinate and forms a vesicle called synascus. Intercalary hyphal swellings develop into resting spores and appears as galls in Protomycetaceae. The life cycle of Taphrinomycotina fungi typically involves dikaryotic phase. So which of the following characteristic is typical of Taphrinomycotina fungi? That means the Taphrinomycotina produces ascospores in a naked ascus. Which of the following genera belongs to family Taphrinaceae? This Taphrinaceae is a family of fungi which causes peach leaf curl. Which of the following genera included in Protomyces? Peach leaf curl is caused by Taphrina deformans. Taphrinaceae family belongs to Das kingdom. Fungi. Type of reproduction seen in Taphrinaceae fungi is budding. Taphrinaceae fungi is a obligate parasite. Protomycetaceae family belongs to Ascomycota. Stem gall of coriander is caused by Protomyces macrosporus. Fungi which causes peach leaf curl belongs to order Taphrinians. Hyphal swellings is a characteristic of fungi Protomyces. Which of the following genus belongs to Taphrinomycotina subphylum? Taphrina and Protomyces both belongs to subphylum Taphrinomycotina. Synascus is observed in Protomyces. Taphrina produces dash number of ascospores. Taphrina produces 8 number of ascospores. Protomycetaceae fungi produces dash number of ascospores. Protomycetaceae fungi produces numerous ascospores in a single ascus. Taphrina produces dash type of ascocarp, naked ascus. Witch's brooms of cherries is caused by Taphrina. Turmeric leaf blotch is causing fungi belongs to family Taphrinaceae. Protomyces macrosporus belongs to order Taphrinids. Thank you.